Today we're going to be changing the gear shift knob on our 2006 Ford Mustang. First thing we're going to do is get a flathead screwdriver and we're going to pry up our bezel here. It comes up pretty easily. And now that it's loose, basically all we have to do is turn our gear shift knob. Until it comes off. And this snaps right into here, so we'll get this off like that, and we'll put our new one on. Now we have our new shifter knob here. I'm just gonna basically manhandle it till it gets on like that. Okay, there it is. Pretty much do the reverse of what we just did. And we're just going to screw it down like this. It's really tight. Perfect. Put our boot back in. And there you go. And that's how you change the shifter knob on your 2006 Ford Mustang. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to do more fixes to your vehicles. Thanks for watching.